So we got Bailey when she was about 8-9 weeks old. She's now 5.5 months. And I've always wondered to myself, why does she always go and nibble my ears, licking them, this, that and the other? So the root of behaviour is called nuzzling. And it's a combination of licking and nibbling your ears of another pack member. In this case, that's me or you, the viewer. It's a means to show you that your puppy is comfortable with you and that you're doing a great job. And it's their way of accepting you as part of their pack, like the pack leader, and that they respect and love you. So if you're wondering why your puppy is doing this, licking your ears, nibbling your ears, and you're wondering why do they do it, it's because of the love and respect that they've gained for you since you've had them.
Oh. What are you doing? I love you too.